The ultrasound program here at Ferris is a 2-year associate degree program. Students are trained in both abdomen and OB/GYN ultrasound.
They are going to do didactic classroom work in abdomen, physics, obstetrics, and gynecology.
The most valuable part has been the people. We're all in it together.
My dad's a firefighter, so he helps people, and I kind of get that interest from him, so I knew that that was something I wanted to go into.
The Diagnostic Medical Sonography Program at Ferris prepares students for clinical practice in abdomen, obstetrics, and gynecology. It's an interesting field because we are critical thinkers and problem solvers.
We have 5 prerequisite courses that students would need to take before they enter the program. We call those qualifying classes. Once they qualify, they can apply to get into the program. And then we have a 6-semester associate degree. So it's 6 semesters, including summers. The first 3, or the first year, are on campus. And then the second year, you're doing an internship. And the internship is 32 hours a week at a clinical affiliate, and then an online class.
We have a full year that students attend on campus to learn their didactic work, and then they have their second year of the program in the internship setting where they're working more closely on their clinical skills and with real patients and real radiologists.
I wanted to choose sonography because I knew I wanted to go in the healthcare field, and I job shadowed sonography and I fell in love with it. I just want to be able to help people.
I grew up with PCOS, which is a common condition we learn about in the program, and I've had multiple ultrasounds, and so I kind of found interest in that looking back on the times that I had had ultrasounds, and did more research into the career, and it definitely seemed like something I'd be interested in.
When they enter the program, we first work on foundational scanning skills so that we can see what is normal and identify any abnormalities or pathologies.
But what we do are things called open labs, where they can come in and just practice whatever they want to. They can have a one-on-one with an instructor.
In-lab experience definitely helps because, again, like, you're looking inside of the body, looking at organs and structures and stuff like that, and it definitely helps.
First semester I was in here all the time, scanning liver, scanning kidneys.
They have to be fully competent in lab before they go to their clinical site. So they're doing full protocols. They are full-fledged sonographers months before they graduate, so it's really seamless.
The instructors are really great about getting around to all the different groups and in providing as much feedback.
It's so rewarding watching students come from day one and not knowing anything till the end, being sonographers.
It's a really rewarding field, and you grow a lot as a person.
When you see that you passed the final exam and you passed your class, it's such a rewarding feeling because, you know, all that hard work was for something.
If students want more information, they can contact the College of Health Professions at chp@ferris.edu. Students can also access the Ferris webpage on Diagnostic Medical Sonography for more information.